This is Rubbernecker stamp set number 905, Roses. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the stamps off of the insert and we're going to lay them upside down onto the packaging. This is going to allow us to put our blocks on in a manner that we can keep this edge of the block parallel with this edge of the paper. And that's going to be a little alignment tool that we have so that when we stamp the color down and then go to put the outline over the top of it, we have a method to align the stamps parallel with the edge of the paper. Okay, now we're set to stamp. Okay, we're going to take our color portion and I'm going to take a brush with a little bit of wetness on the tip of it and I'm going to pick up some of our crimson alizarin crimson from Ken Oliver's Color Burst collection. That's from his first Brights line. And I'm just going to randomly place some of this red around. I'm going to leave a few openings because I'm going to come back in with some of my tangerine and yellow so we can get some variation in these flowers. Even within the crimson, I'm going to build up a little bit of stronger color here and there so that we get some darker areas. Okay, and now with our yellow and the other areas, like this. I just got it into the red. I'll try and fix that. There we go. And now just a little bit of the tangerine. Alright, now give this a spray with some water and stamp it down on a piece of 110-pound watercolor cardstock. That should be enough to get the water moving. And down it goes. And we stamped with this edge parallel with the paper. Nice. Exactly what I was after. Nice rich red, yellow roses. We're going to dry this. Now, for the overlay portion, I'm going to use a VersaFine pad. This is the Onyx Black pigment pad. And I'm just so we'll align this over the mass of the stamp and keep our edge parallel. That'll keep us from wondering if we should be over this way or that way. Trust that we laid it down correctly to begin with. Right, like that. Give it some decent pressure. Watercolor paper is pebbled, so we want to see if we can get that embossing ink into those pebbles as best we can. Looks pretty good. And some clear embossing powder. And there we have it. deep rich red flowers. Earlier today we made a card with this. You can see it's fairly similar, a little bit lighter in shade. We also used a freehand frame around the flower. This is number 89901. And we used a phrase and a little frame off of our freehand phrase set. This is a set of 6 flower-oriented phrases with a square or a circle that each fit into. And we've used that on here.